Hi everyone. PEMDAS is saying that 3 divided by 5 goes first. So what is 3 divided by 5? I don't know. So I'm going to write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 3 over 5. Now let's bring that 2 minus down, but let's bring that 2 down in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 2 over 1 equals 2. Does not change the 2. Minus 3 over 5. Yes, we're subtracting two fractions, but the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method. So we'll be drawing two wings, two antennas, and a body. So the first wing, and I'm using a different color, is 2 times 5. And here's the antenna. And we're not subtracting, we're multiplying inside the wing. So 2 times 5 is 10. And that goes above the antenna there. Next, we draw the other wing, 1 times 3, and 1 times 3, here's the other antenna, is 3. And then the body is 1 times 5, which is 5. And so the denominator is 5, and then we subtract 10 minus 3, which is, so 10 fingers, drop 3, 7. Good job. So we got 7 over 5. And this can be broken down further. And so if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing. And let's continue solving this math problem. Now we're going to bring that 3 divided by 7 down, but in a fraction form. So it'll be written 3 over 7. And then we'll bring this 7 over 5 to this side. We're multiplying because these are inside the parentheses. So it'll be written 7 over 5 here. And now we can erase this. And then we're going to multiply across. So what is 3 times 7? 21. Good job. And 7 times 5 is 35. And this cannot be simplified further. Don't leave yet because we need to figure out the decimal answer and the mixed number answer using long division. So I am going to erase this and then write the 21 over 35 on this side of the board, and then write the long division symbol there and write 21 inside the long division symbol and the 35 outside. And here we'll write the mixed number answer and then the decimal answer. So how many times can 35 fit into 21? You cannot. Use a different color. So I'll write a 0. That's a 0. So 0. And then we multiply. That's a 0 there. 0. So 0 times 35 is 0. And 21 minus 0 is 21. And so how many times can 35 fit into 21? You cannot. So the 21 needs to borrow a 0. So I add a decimal after the 21 and a decimal after the 0. Write a 0 here. Bring down the 0 and then give it to the 21. Now 21 becomes 210. That's a big number. So now how many times can 35 fit into 210? Well, let's kind of guess on this. So 35 times 3, we're going to try to get close to 210. So let's see. So 35 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. And then 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. We're kind of far away from 210. So let's do this. 35 times 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. And then 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2. So that's, again, 12, 4, and 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 140. That is still too far from 210. Let's do this. 35 times 5. So 35 times 5, 5 times 5 is 25. And then 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2, 15, 16, 17. That's 175. We're kind of getting close. Let's just add another 35. So 175 plus 35. So 5 times 5 is 10. And then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then 1 and 2. Look at that, 210. So it's going to be 6, not 5, 6, because 35 times 5 plus another 35 is 210. So it will be 35 times 6. So we'll write 6, and let me erase all this. And so 6 times 35 is 210, and 210 minus 210 is 0. So your answer is 0.6, but what about the mixed number? How do we get the mixed number from this? All right. Oh, you can't get a mixed number from this. Huh. We don't have a whole number. So there you go. We can't get a mixed number. We only can get a decimal answer to this math problem. So there you go. You got the proper fraction answer. That is not an improper. That's a proper fraction because the number 21 is smaller and the 35 is bigger. So this is the proper fraction. And then this is your decimal answer. There you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you did, thank you so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.